this lesson, you can learn about real-life situation using function. What is relation? A relation is any set of ordered pairs. Kahit anong ordered pairs yan, pwede natin itong tawaging relation. It is considered as relation. Sa relation, may dalawang term tayo na dapat tandaan. Ito ay ang domain at range. Ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa? The domain is the set of all first elements. Lahat ng first elements, it is called as domain. And the range is the set of all second elements. Lahat ng second elements, siya ay range. For example, 4, 6. So, the domain is 4 because 4 is the first elements. And the range is 6 because 6 is the second elements of the ordered pairs. A function is a relation or rule of correspondence between two elements, domain and range, such that each element in the domain corresponds to exactly one element in the range. Nasabi dito na ang function ay isang relation or rule na nagko-correspond sa dalawang elements, at ito ay ang domain at range. Bawat element ng domain is correspond sa isang element ng range. So, dapat isang element sa domain or x values ay isang beses nang magiging kapartner yung range or y values. Bawal maulit at bawal madoble. For example, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7. So, para ma-identify natin ang domain at range, una muna natin titignan is the first element. The first element is 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, that is the domain. And the range is 4, 5, 6, 7. Ito naman is range. May naulit ba o na doble? Wala. So, this is a function.
Then for our second example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 5. Again, to identify domain and range, una muna natin titignan ang first element, which is 1, 3, 1, 6. So, ito yung domain. And for our second element is 2, 4, 5, 5. So, this is our range. Function or relations. So, ang una nating titignan ay ang domain. Kapag may naulit, relation. Pag wala naman, function. So, this is relation. Then for our third example is 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, and 4, 8. Again, to identify domain and range, una muna natin titignan ang first element. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And our range is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Again, para malaman natin kung function or relation, titignan natin lagi ay domain. Kung may naulit or wala. Dahil wala naman, so this is a function. Then for our last example is 6, 4, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1. Again, to identify domain and range, una natin titignan ang first element. So for the domain is 6, 5, 3, 3. And ang range natin is 4, 3, 2, 1. So again, para malaman natin kung function ba ito or relations, una natin titignan ang domain, kung may naulit o wala, dahil meron magkaparehas, so this is our relation. How about from the given table of value, which relation shows a function? So, the first row ay values ng x, and the second row ay value ng y. So, ang titignan lang po natin sa table of values ay value ng x. So, if you notice, sa value ng x is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, makikita nyo, walang naulit na number. So, this is a function. And for our second example, again, sa first row ay value ng x, and the second row ay value ng y. So, ang titingnan lang po natin sa table of values ay yung values ng x, which is 0, negative 2, 5, negative 2, and 4. So, dahil may naulit na number, so this is not a function.
So, let's have the different types of relation. We have here the first one, yung one-to-one relation. Ang ibig sabihin ng one-to-one relation is that if you have a set of value for x and set of value for y, meron silang tig-iisang correspondence. Like this example, this one, it only corresponds with 2, this 2 corresponds with 3, this 3 corresponds with 4, and 4 corresponds with 5. Kaya siya naging one-to-one because wala nang ibang correspondence ang bawat value natin kay x. For the second one, we have one-to-many relation. Ang ibig sabihin ng one-to-many relation is kapag merong siyang correspondence na greater than 1. Like this one, yung 1 value natin kay x, it corresponds to 3 value for y. And yung 5 naman, it corresponds to 4 and 5. This is the example for one-to-many. And for the next is yung many-to-one. It's the reverse process ng one-to-many na ang ibig sabihin ay yung value natin for x is corresponds to single value of y. Like for this example, yung value natin kay x na 2, 4, 6, 8 corresponds with 2 value for y, kaya siya naging many-to-one.
A relation between two sets of number can be illustrated by graph in the Cartesian plane, and that a function passes the vertical line test. A group of relation is a function if any vertical line drawn passing through the graph intersect at exactly one point. In the first graph, you can see it is a function because in that Cartesian plane, the line intersect at one point. And the second graph, you can see na nag-pass through ang sa buong Cartesian plane, kaya it is not a function.